Hi, I'm RJ Ramos from Lampara. To satisfy that Korean food craving, we're making bibimbap using Duru Extra Coarse Bulgur. Here are the ingredients: beef sukiyaki cut, kimchi, gochujang and sesame oil, shiitake mushrooms, carrots, onions and garlic, spinach and bean sprouts, egg, and of course, our Duru Extra Coarse Bulgur. So our first step is to season the beef. Just put some soy sauce, brown sugar, sesame oil, mix it up, and chill for 30 minutes. For our bulgur, so the ratio is just again 1 cup of bulgur, then 2 cups of water. Let it boil for 15 minutes, then rest it again for another 15. So habang nag-iin-in ang ating bulgur, namamarinate ang ating beef. So after 15 minutes, i-check natin yung bulgur kung luto na. Okay na, so pwede natin siyang i-set aside, tapos i-process naman natin yung ibang ingredients ng ating bibimbap. Una natin gawin is, so asinan natin yung ating boiling water to blanch our spinach and our bean sprouts. Mas magandang hiwalay-hiwalay natin lutuin yung mga vegetables dahil iba-iba rin yung cooking time niya. Quickly blanch lang the bean sprouts. So just heat the pan. Mas magandang unti-untiin natin yung pagluto ng ating mga vegetables. The garlic we will remove then after sauteing. Our onions, followed by the carrots. Slightly saute lang so it can keep the crunch. And also season as you go. Followed by mushrooms. Season again. Cook your egg as well. Season. You can start cooking the beef. Add some sesame oil on the pan. Yung garlic kanina, you can put it back. Halos pag nag-change siya ng color, it's done. So after cooking the beef, ready na tayo para magluto ng ating fried kimchi bulgur. In the same pan, add some kimchi. Add bulgur. If you're like me and you like it spicier, you can add some gochujang, a bit of soy sauce, again sesame oil, a dash of fish sauce, a bit of brown sugar. Now you can remove garlic cloves, black pepper, and you're done. Craving satisfied. So this recipe is good for 2 to 3 people. Bulgur, assemble as you go, onions, some mushrooms, color, spinach, then this here. If you want more kimchi, and here you go, your bibimbap using extra coarse Duru Bulgur.